नमस्कार साथियों, welcome everyone, welcome, good evening. So welcome to Exampur. So today we are going to discuss most of the problems which are related to your SSC CHSL exams. So share to your friends so that we can start. Okay, so here is the first question. Yes, find the value of question mark. Find the value of question mark. Hello Altaf, hi. Find the value of question mark. So here you have to find the summation of these two decimal values. Okay, now here one thing is that 4, you can see 4, there is a bar, and here is 9 and it also has bar, and bar means it comes bar means repeated. Okay, so repeated decimals are these. So how we have to solve these? Okay, so just write it 8.74, and we can write it 4 and 4, right? Clear? And again we can write this 5.34999, and this will be continue so on, right? So when we add these two, okay, somewhere it will be 3, but after that when we get one carry, we always get 4, and this will be 9. Okay, this will be what? This will be, yes, 0, and this carry will be, yes, exactly 14. Okay, so 14.094444 and so on. So what will be my answer? I can consider that this will be infinitely 4. Okay, so this will be what? 14.094 bar. This can be write this. Okay, this can be written like this. So where is the option? 14.094. 14.094 is option number A, right? Clear to everyone? Is it clear? Okay, so you can solve this question easily by doing this. Okay, now there is one more question. Tell me the answer for this question. One more thing I want to tell you, that 0.3, if you want to calculate the value of 0.3 bar, just you have to, what you have to write? You have to write, yes, exactly, well, you have to write 3, and whatever the numbers are below the bar, that much 9 you have to divide the 3. Okay, that much 9 you have to divide. So basically 4 by 9 can be written as, like, 4 by 9 can also be written as 0.4 bar, yes or no, right? And 0.4 bar, what 0.4 bar means? 0.4 bar means 0.4444 and so on, right? That you know that already. Now we have to solve this. How we have to solve this? So simply you can write point A, B. So B has the bar. Okay, here A has the bar. So B, B, B and B and so on. Here how can we write this? So point B, A, and so on, right? Now we have to add both of these. And you know that, okay, you know that their addition comes like this only, because this is equal to 4 by 9, and 4 by 9 is nothing but 0.4 bar. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 0.44444. So how we are getting 4 here? Addition of A plus B, 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 right? So A plus B additions gives me 444. That means A plus B is nothing but equal to 4. A plus B is nothing but equal to 4. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear friends? Yes, tell me. Okay, so 4 is my right answer. Option number B is the correct answer. Okay, now tell me the answer for this question. Okay, tell me that these types of question you can expect in the SSC CGL examination. Okay, so you have to be till the last so that we can discuss a lot more questions like that, so that you can crack. You should not have something new in the examination. Okay, so there is something. You can write this 8 as 2 to the power 3. Okay, and you know that if x to the power a multiply by y to the power a. We can write this xy to the power a. That means we can combine the bases if the power is same. Okay, so we can combine this, we can put it into the bracket. So 3.75 multiply by 2 and here is the power 3. Okay, here we can write it 7.5 whole square and minus 6.5. Okay, so 3.75 into 2 is what? 7.5. 3.75 multiply by 2 is 7.5, right? And here we have cube. We can also write it 1 cube, yes or no? So it is something look like a cube plus b cube, yes or no? Your mind tells you that it is something like a cube plus b cube, and below here we have a square. So this should be minus ab, that means minus 7.5 multiply by 1, yes or no? Minus ab plus b square plus b square, so plus 1 should be there. So minus 7.5 plus 1 is nothing but 6.5. Okay, so now we have cracked it already, you know that formula. Okay, a cube plus b cube is nothing but, yes, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, right? So a cube plus b cube has these two components, and one of these component like this is already here. That means when we divide both of these, we will get a plus b. Now this is equal to what? A plus b, because when this comes to below this, a square minus ab plus b square, this will give you what? A plus b. So what is a? A is 7.5 and b is 1. So my answer will be 8.5. That is nothing but option number D. Okay. Hello Sam, how are you? So did you get that? Okay. So this is the main formula, and the question was something built like this only, right? So you have to crack that. You have to see that here is 7.5 and here is 3.75, but here we have cube, here we have cube, so we can combine it. Okay, so this will comes when you practice more and more questions like that. Okay, let's see the another problem. Okay, tell me the answer for this question, everyone. Tell me the answer for this question. Did you get that? Yes. Tell me the answer for this question. So here you can also see that we have cube here, we have cube here. Okay, so a has what? Something a cube plus b cube, and in the divide we have a square, okay, and plus b square and minus ab. Okay, where a is nothing, but 0.7 and b is nothing but 0.2. Okay, so 0.7 cube is 0.343 and 0.2 cube is 0.008. Okay, here 0.7 square, 0.2 square minus 0.7 into 0.2. Clear? So we have cracked it, and this will gives me what? This will give me a plus b. Okay, this will give me a plus b. So what is a plus b? What is a plus b? It is 0.9. This will be what? 0.9. Yes or no? Okay, clear? Now we are going to talk about b. Now we are going to talk about b. So what are you looking at b? So you can see that here, if we put, okay, let me change the color. Okay, yellow color. So here if we see that a is equal to what? 0.9, we can say that, and b is nothing but 0.3, because I know the cubes, so I can finally define that. Okay, so we have what we have? We have a cube minus b cube divided by a square plus b square plus ab should be here. Okay, so we can see that a square, then b square plus b square and plus ab. 9 3s are 27, right? So plus ab. That means this will give me a minus b. You should not have to write that much. You have to just to have figure out that which formula is going to be applied here. Okay, so I have figured out that a plus b should be the answer of this and a minus b should be the answer for b, and then finally I have to solve a square minus b square. So a minus b is nothing but 0.6. Yes, a minus b is nothing but the 0.6 here. Clear? Let me write the values so that you should not confused with that. So it is 0.7 and this is 0.2 plus 0.2, right? And here 0.9 minus 0.3. Okay, so we have got the values and now we have to find the final answer. So what we have to find? We have to find a square plus b square. We have to find capital A square plus capital B square, and Sam is saying, sir, 1.17 is the right answer. Okay, let's see. So a square is nothing but 0.9 square, that means 0.81 plus, right, b square nothing but the 0.6 square, that means 0.36, and we have to add both of these. So 1 plus 6, that is 7, 3 plus 8, that is 11, carry 1, that means 1.17. Option number D is my right answer. By unit digit we can also say that 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 is only in the option number D. Okay, right, clear? So very good, Sam, absolutely correct answer. So we have, you know, that SAFALTA batch is already launched. SAFALTA batch is basically for SSC CHSL students who are targeting this examination. Okay, so you know that we have different syllabus for different categories. SSC has different syllabus. So if you already have studied SSC exam for SSC examination, so you have already the syllabus and you just have to practice. But if you have not studied yet, so this is the time for you, because you are getting here 450 plus live hour classes, okay, and live foundation classes. If you have any foundation issue, that you have weak in maths or English or GK or reasoning, right? So also you have class PDFs, whatever we taught in the class, we will give you the PDF for that, so that you don't have to hustle for the notes. Okay, you can make notes after the class also. So daily practice paper will be there, so that you don't have to purchase any book. You will get enough papers and enough practice sheets, so that you can practice at home only. And finally mock test will be there. Also in the mock test, sectional subject test will be there, and previous year paper you will get, so that you can analyze the thing, and it will be only for 1399. Okay, so there will be class for SSC Cgl English medium. SSC Cgl is just from 1st of December. Okay, so the next class will be when the next batch will be launched, you will be notified. But yes, if you are giving this SSC Cgl examination, you can get 5 mock test series only at 1 rupees from Exampur. This is the gift for you for the Exampur, so that you can boost your revision, last minute revision. Okay, yes. So for SSC Cgl, if you are preparing, you will get the classes on here only. But yes, SSC CHSL and CGL have the almost same syllabus. Okay, so you can prepare there also in the SAFALTA batch. Also you can, if you have any doubt, you can call this number or WhatsApp in this number. Okay, super. Okay, so let me tell you the answer for the new question. We have to simplify this. Okay, let me tell you a simple concept to solve this type of questions. So if we have to minus 1 by 4, so when you have to minus from 1, you just have to minus 4 minus 1, that means answer will be 3 by 4. If you have to minus 3 by 15, okay, then you have to just minus 15 minus 3, that means 12 minus 15. Okay, 12 minus 15, this will be the answer. But if there is 2, then what will be the answer? Just double it. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1, 7 by 4. Okay, the denominator should be same. If here 15, yes, you know that 15, we just write it 4. Okay, now it will be okay. Okay, so 15 double it, 30. 30 minus 4, yes, 26. So 26 by 50. So this will be your answer. Clear? Now you have to solve this. So we have 2 minus, just double the denominator and minus from the numerator. and write in the numerator only. So 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. Multiply. 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 3, 7. 5 as it is. Okay, here 3 as it is. Here 3 as it is. Multiply. 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 14 minus 5, 9. And 7 as it is, and so on to 999 multiply by 2. Now something is multiply by 2, that means we have added these two numbers. 7 multiply by 2 means 7 plus 7 only. So 999 multiply by 2 means 999 plus 999, and we have 2 minus 997. So this will give me 2. And we add 2 here easily, we will get 1001, yes or no? Yes or no? So we have to do it in mind. Okay, so we have 2,999, from which 1,999 gets subtracted, that 779 gets subtracted from 1,999, and we will get 2. We will get 2, and we can easily add 2 in 999. Okay, clear? So what we will get here? Here we will get 1001 by 999. Okay, 1001, when we get double minus this, you will get this. So what is going on here? How you can identify the series? You know these terms are get cancelled out. So this is how these terms will get cancelled out, and you will get the denominator of this and the numerator of this. So what will be the answer for this question? 1001 divided by 3. 1001 divided by 3, that means option number D is my right answer. Superb, Sam. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Option number D is the right answer. Now tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Quickly. Quickly. Tell me the answer for this question. Yes. Now, before we earlier we have multiplication series. Now we have addition series. Okay. So in case of multiplication, you know that what we have did. Now if you get this type of series, what we have to do? You have to find that what is the difference between these two, and if the difference between these two is something x, then that x should be in the numerator or not. So if we solve this, we get here 1, here we get 4, here we get 4, here we get 9, here we get 9, here we get 16. Now find that the difference, if the difference between these two is in the numerator, then what we have to do? Just we have to do 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. Clear? So difference between these is 3. Yes, 3 is there. Difference is 3. Yes, 3 is there. Difference is 5. 5 is there. Difference is 7. 7 is there. And similarly so on. Okay. So if that is present, then what we have to do? Just 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. Okay, plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 16. You have to directly do this. Okay, and up to what? Up to what? Up to differences. What is difference here? You know that 19 is the difference. Okay, so what we have to do? 1 by 9 square, that means 81, minus 1 by 10 square, that means 100. Okay, so this is what is going to be the happen with this series. Now what we have to do? Let's see. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 will be cancelled out. Minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 will be cancelled out. Minus 1 by 16, and then again this all will be cancelled out. Only one thing will be left, the first part and the last part. Only one thing will be left, the first part and the last part. Only these two things will be left. Okay. So 1 minus 1 by 100 will be there. And you know that if we have to minus from 1, just 100 minus 1, that means 99 by 100 should be my answer. 99 by 100 should be my answer. Is it clear? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Option number B is my right answer. Okay, you can solve this now. 1 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 4. Okay, here you have multiplication here. here you have multiplication here, right? So it is nothing but 3 by 4, है ना? Here we have 36, so 5 by 36. Clear? So whenever you get the difference, same difference, if the same difference is here and the same difference will be in the numerator, okay, then you can directly write in the form of this thing, in the form of this p by q or fraction. So far we have another question, okay? These type of question you can expect, okay? You can expect these types of questions, okay? Now we have to solve and we have to find this k. We have to solve this and we have to find this k. Now it is very simple, okay? How you have to write this? Just find out how many times 1 is in the plus, okay? How many times there is 1 in the plus, okay? So 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 plus k. So 1, here is 1 and here is 1, 3 times 1, and 1 time here we can see that it is in the denominator. So here we have to, what we have to listen, that 1 upon a, if a upon b is equal to 1 upon x, yes or no? So if we have to find the value of x, what we have to do? Just reverse it or inverse it. So b by a is equal to x. The same thing we are going to do here, okay? So when we reverse this, this will also get reversed and this part will come to the numerator. This part will come to the numerator, and this we have to do again and again, okay? How much time we have to do? So we have to do 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, at least 3 times we have to do, okay? So let's see how we have to do here, okay? So first of all we have to convert it into 8 by 5. 8 by 5. Now difference, find the difference between these two, okay? Just difference is what? 3. So we will get what? 3 by 5. What we will get? 3 by 5. But we have to write 5 here and difference of this is here. Difference of this is here because we have to also inverse it. So that's why we are inversing it, okay? Again, acha, yahan par if there is plus sign, then we have to add this or we have to add this. But again we have to subtract also, that's why we are subtracting here, okay? If there is plus sign, let's see, if we have plus sign, how we can write it? 8 by 5. We can write it 1 plus 3 by 5 like this. That's why we are subtracting here, okay? So that 1 gets subtracted from this one and we will get 3 by 5. And when we get 3 by 5, we have to again reverse it, okay? Again reverse it. So finally what we have to do? Just inverse it, 8 by 5. Put this 5 here. Put this 5 here, and here we get the difference of this, okay? 3, and we will get 5 here. Again what we have to do? Just put 3 here and the difference of these two will be here. And now finally what we have to do? Just find the difference of these two. What we get? 1 by 2. What we will get? 1 by 2. Just you have to find the difference of these two. That means 3 minus 2, that we will get here 1 by 2, okay? So now this 1 by 2 is nothing but the 1 by k. Finally we got the 1 by k here and the 2 is my right answer. So this is one thing to do here. Or otherwise what we have to do? Again we have to do 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by k is equal to 1 plus 3 by 8. 3 by 5, okay? We have reversed it. So we will get this thing and 1 gets cancelled out. And again we have to reverse it. So we will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 by k, okay? 1 by k, and this will be what? Again reversed. So 5 by 3 will be there. And now again we can write it 1 plus 2 by 3, and this 1 get cancelled out, and again we reverse it. So when we reversed it, we will get 3 by 2 here, and again we get 1 plus 1 by 2. When we compare both of these, we will get 2, okay? So this you have to do here, nothing else, okay? So this is the basic process. Or you have to just, what you have to do? Just reverse it. Just reverse it. Define the difference, okay? Put it here. Find the difference, put it here, and 5 will be here. Difference here, okay? Difference will be what? Here, and the 3 will be here, Okay, again you have to find 1 plus 1 by 2, and this 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 by k only, and finally you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the basic method, and again you can follow this short trick. This is nothing but the observation. Okay, this is nothing but the observation. So by observing things you can build your own short tricks. Clear? So you have one more question. Okay, this type of question you can expect. Tell me the answer for this question. Find the value of question mark. So 4.6507 is equal to 4a plus 7 by b plus 6c plus 5 by d plus 7e. So how we can write these things? We can write this 40. How we can write this? 4 into 10, right? We can write 7 into 1. Then plus here what is 0.6? 0.6 means 6 by 10, 5 by 100. 0 is nothing but the 0. Okay, and then 7 by 1000. We can write this like this only. Now if we compare this and this, you will get what? 4a. That means a will be what? 10. A will be 10. Okay, let me write here. A will be 10. Yes or not? If we compare 7 by b, b means we can write 1 here. Okay, so b will be nothing but the 1 only. Now 6c, c is nothing but 6c. That means 1 by 10. C is nothing but 1 by 10. Okay, so c is nothing but 1 by 10. Okay, c is nothing but 1 by 10. What is d? So d is what? 6c we have already here. Okay, so we have 5 by d. So 5 by d, if you compare here, okay, if you compare 5 by d, that means d is nothing but, this is d. So d is what? 100. D is what? 100. 5 by d. Compare 5 by d with this, so d will be 100. And 7e, you can compare here. E means 1 by 1000. E means 1 by 1000. Yes or no? Clear? Clear to everyone? Super. So now what we have to do? We have to calculate the value of this. So 5 into 10 is nothing but 50. Okay. 3b means 3 plus 6 by 10. 6 by 10 means 0.6 plus 100 plus 1 by 1000 is nothing but 0.0003. 0.003. Okay, so 1000 means what? 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now add all these. 100 50 53, so 153 will be there. Is there any option with 153? Yes, option number C is my answer. Or you can add 0.6 and 0.003. so this is what you will get when you get added. So Amrita is here. Yes, Amrita, how are you? Good evening. So option number C is my right answer. Okay, so what you have to do, just compare it like this only, and you just have to put the values here. Okay, so what will be the next question? Let's see. Okay, now this type, how to tackle this type of question, है ना? If you see these types of question, you just ignore this. What you do, you ignore these types of question, but you don't have to. You just have to calculate this. What is this square? Okay, what is this square? So just you can see that 16 is in the last. So 16 means this number should be 50 plus 4, because 16 is the square of 4. Okay, so this number should be 50 plus 4 or 50 minus 4. Okay, so now how to find that it is 50 plus 4 or 50 minus 4? Just check it out, that is this number is more than this or less than this. If this number is more than this, then it is 50 plus 4. If this number is less than this, then this will be 50 minus 4. Okay, so what you have to see, just check the last 2 digit and find out which square has these 2 last digit. Only 4 has this. Okay, from 1 to 25. Okay, from 1 to 25. So easily I can say that the square root of 2916 is nothing but 54. Is nothing but the 54. Clear? Okay, so now one more thing. Okay, one more thing. This point has divided by 100. Here we have 00 00. Here we have 00 00 00. Okay, 6 zeros. And here we have 8 zeros when we get point out here. And you know that the square of 10 is nothing but square of 10 is nothing but square of 1 and 00. That means if we do the square root of 100, we will get 1 0 out of 2. So when we get out of this, we will get 1 0 out of 2. That means 54 and we will get 1 0. Here 54, we will get 2 zeros. Okay, we have 4 zeros now, so we will get half zeros. Again 54, we will get 1 2 3, so we will get 3 zeros. Okay, we have 3 2 zeros, then only we will get here what? 3 zeros. And again we have here 8 zeros. That means 54, 8, half of 8 is nothing but 4. So 4 zeros we will get here. Now just add it all, है ना? So 54, that means 0.4, 5.4, here 0.54, and here 0.54, 0 0 54. Okay, so this is how we will get here. So here 1.2, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, add it, 4 9 9 9 and 5. 5.994. 5.994 will be my right answer. Option number D. Yes or no? Clear? Sam, absolutely correct. Shreya, hi, hello. Okay. Superb. Question number 10 is there. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Option number D. Okay. Let's see. 30. Now what we have to do? We can see that these all three are same now. A plus A plus A is what? 3A. A plus or B plus B is what? 2B. We can write this now simply. So here we have same numbers. Here we have same numbers. So I can write it 3 into 3 to the power 33. And here I have 2 times. So 2 into 2 to the power 33. What we know that? We know that if x to the power A into x to the power B, when we have base same and both of them are in multiplication, that means power gets added. Power gets added. So here power is, if there is no power, that means there is one power. So if power gets added, we will get 3 to the power 34 multiply 2 to the power 34. Yes or no? 1 plus 33, that means 34. One more property is there. If x to the power A has the power B, then we can write it x to the power A into B. Yes or no? But one more thing, if we have x to the power A into y to the power A, then we can write it x into y to the power A. That means we can also write it what? 3 into 2 to the power 34. That means 6 to the power 34. Now these all things is equal to nothing but the x to the power 6. Yes or no? This is what? Equal to 6 to the power x. This is equal to 6 to the power x, 6 to the power x, 6 to the power x. Now comparing, the base is same, that means x is equal to what? 34. X is what? 34. So Sam, absolutely correct. Option number A is my right answer. Anupam is giving also the right answer. Okay. Okay. Tell me the answer for this question now. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. If 8 to the power 3x minus 5 is equal to 1 by 32 to the power 7 minus 4x, then what is x? Then what is x? Okay. So what we have to do, you know that that 8 is nothing but 2 to the power 3 and 32 is nothing but 2 to the power 5. So we can write it what? We can write it 2 to the power 3. Okay, and we have 3x minus 5 here is equal to, here we can write it 2 to the power 5 and 7 minus 4x is there, and 7 minus 4x is there. Okay, multiply. So we will get what? Achha, one more thing, you can also get the same thing. If x to the power 1 by x is nothing but x to the power minus 1, or x square is there, then we will get minus 2. So simply we can write it what? 1 upon x to the power n is nothing but x to the power minus n. So I also write it in the same way here. Okay, so first we have to calculate, multiply this. One more thing you have to know, x to the power a to the power b is nothing but x to the power a into b. So we have to multiply these two. So when we multiply these two, we will get 9x minus 15 is equal to, here what we will get? 35 minus 20. Okay, when we reverse it, what we will get? The power gets reversed. Okay, because 1 is in the minus. So here what we will get? 2 to the power 9x minus 15 is equal to 2 to the power, reverse it, 20x minus 35, because we have multiplied by minus. So now you can see that you can directly compare and solve the question. Okay, compare 9x minus 15 is equal to 20x minus 35. So you will get what? 11x. You will get 11x is equal to 20. That means x is equal to what? 20 by 11. X is what? 20 by 11. That means option number B is my right answer. So Sam got the right answer absolutely correct. Anupam also got the right answer. Superb. Okay, tell me this question now. You have understood, right? When we reverse the number, the power gets negative. Okay, so, the power gets multiplied by minus, and when we multiply by minus, the positive things becomes negative and negative things become positive. Simply. Tell me the answer for this question now. Tell me the answer for this question. So you know that x by y is here, and this, sorry, x by y. If you have visualized this question, you have already got the answer. Okay, I am just writing here just for the sake of your understanding. I can also write it x by y. Just my power got reversed. Okay, how? It will be 3a minus 17. Okay, because I have multiplied by minus to 17 minus 3a, so it will be minus 17 and plus 3a. So I have wrote here 3a minus 17. So now you can directly compare the powers. Okay, what we will get? 5a minus 3 is equal to 3a minus 17. Okay, now 3a will come here, then we will get 2a, and this will be get minus, then we will get minus 14, and a will be minus 7. What will be a? A will be minus 7. So option number C is my right answer. Sam, Anupam, absolutely correct. Superb. Superb. You are going to get these types of questions. So never hesitate to solve tough questions, okay? Because these types of question, if you solve here, you will not get stuck in the examination, okay? Okay, tell me the answer for this question. Just use your brain and try to solve this type of question. How we can solve this type of question? We know that here we have base x. Can we make the base x here only? So if for that, you should know that under root x can be written as x to the power 1 by 2. Under root of x, okay, root x can be write as x to the power 1 by 2, or we can say nth root of x can be written as x to the power n by 2, sorry, 1 by n. Can be written as 1 by n. That means if there is cube root, there will be 1 by 3, fourth root 1 by 4, like this. So x to the power x root x, okay, is equal to x to the x multiply by, we can write it x to the power 1 by 2, as I told you, and we have power may x, yes or no? So x to the power x root x, again it is equal to what? It is equal to, now you know that x to the power a into x to the power b is nothing but x to the power a plus b. So here we have power 1, here we have power half, 1 plus half, 1 and a half, that means 3 by 2. So here we will get x to the power 3 by 2 and x got multiplied, so 3x by 2 is my power. Now we have the same base, now we have same base, we can compare that x root x is equal to 3x by 2, x root x is nothing but 3 by 2, x got cancelled out, so root x is equal to 3 by 2, square both side, x will be 9 by 4, x will be 9 by 4, yes or no? Yes or no? X will be 9 by 4. Option number D, absolutely correct Anupam, absolutely correct. So if you know the funda, you can easily solve the question, okay? If you know the funda, you can easily solve the question, and funda is nothing but rules of surds and indices, laws of surds and indices. If you know that, you can solve that type of questions very easily. Now solve this question. Now solve this question. Now we have 3, you know that we can write it what? 3 to the power 4, right? Here also we can write this thing, 3 to the power 4, x minus y is in multiplication is equal to 3. Here 3 has 1 power, okay? So now we can directly compare that, we get x plus y is equal to 4. 3 to the power 4, x plus y will be 4. And there we will get x plus, there we will get x 4 into x minus y is equal to 1. 4 into x minus y is equal to 1, or we can say that x minus y is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find xy. Is there any relation? Is there any relation between x plus y, x minus y and xy? Yes. So Arpit Tripathi is saying do like and share. Yes, please. Just like it. We have 8 people right here, okay? Just click that thumbs up button. So we are going to solve this very typical question in a very smarter way. So we know that x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square, okay? Or we have one more formula, minus is equal to 4xy. Okay, we have 4xy. So we have x plus y, we have x minus y, and we have what? Xy. Okay, so just put the values. We have what? X plus y, that means 4 square, that means 16 is here. Then minus 1 by 16 is here, and is equal to 4xy. We have to find the value of 4xy. Divide it. Okay, when we divide it, then we will, what we will get? We will get here 4. 1 by 64 is equal to xy. Now solve this and you will get the answer. 64 4s are 256. 256 minus 1, 255. That means what will be the answer? 255 by 64. 255 by 64 is there? Yes. Option number A is my right answer. Clear? Clear to everyone? Yes, superb. Let's move on to the another question. Yes. The question's getting tougher, huh? No problem. Okay, it is nothing but just you have to solve, you have to think. Okay, if you are thinking, you can easily solve these types of questions. Now we have 3 to the power 8 and then 8 to the power 2x. Okay, 3 to the power 8 and 8 to the power 2x is equal to, we can write it what? 3 to the power 4, and this is in the power, so it is 2 to the power 5x, right? Now tell me, can we write this 4 as 2 to the power 2? Yes or no? We can write this. And also we can write this as 2 to the power 3. Okay, this 8 we can write as 2 to the power 3, yes or no? This thing. So it is 2 to the power 3. So if the power has power, we can write this. Okay, yeah, like this. Now what we have to do, I have written like 2 to the power 3 here only. Okay, just solve here. 8 to the power 2x is there. I have wrote 2 to the power 3 and power 2x. Okay, we can write this. Yes. So you know that if power has, this will be multiplied, so this will become 6x. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Yes or no? And here what we will get, here power gets added, so here we will get 2 to the power 2 5x plus 2. Okay, 5x plus 2. Yes or no? Clear? Clear to everyone? Okay, one thing here I missed. 3 to the power 2 to the power 6x. Okay, 3 to the power 2 to the power 6x. Now you can compare both. 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2. So this should be equal. This should be equal. That means 6x is equal to 5x plus 2. So x will be 2. Absolutely correct. Option number A will be the answer. Okay. So you can do that in a different way. First of all, you can compare 3 terms, then you can compare 2 terms. So you can do like that only. Question number 16. Yes, tell me the answer for this question. This very beautiful question. Okay. Either you can, no, you know that. Okay, if something is here, x to the power a, and one same x is here. Okay, so we can write it x to the power exactly a minus b. Okay, so if we subtract these two, okay, the greater power has here. Okay, so we will subtract here. So what we will do, 9 to the power 2.7 is like this only. Okay, and here we get, after subtracting, we will get 181.6 here. We will get 81.6 here. Okay, we have subtracted this from this. We get, if the base is same, we can subtract the power, okay, from the numerator and denominator. And here we have only 3. Here we have only 3. So we can write it 9 square. We can write it 9 square. And after writing it 9 square, what we will get? Here we have 9.27. Here 9 square. That means it will be 9 to the power 1.2. Double of this. Okay. And we have into 3 here. So again, what we will get? What we will get here? These two get subtracted. Okay. What we have done here? I think something is missing here. Something should be here. But it's okay. So 2.7, when we get subtract both these, we will get 9 to the power 1.5. What we get? 9 to the power 1.5. Okay. You know that now 9 has 3 square and we will get 3 square. So square will be multiplied to 1.5. It will be 3 to the power 3. And now 3 has power 1 here. So we will get 3 square here. That means option number C is my right answer. Option number C is my right answer. Clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? So you don't have to do this much calculation by writing it. Okay, you have to do it mentally. Okay, how you can do it? 0.6. Okay, 0.6. That means when we convert into 9, it will be 1.2. 1.2 will get subtracted from this. It will be 1.5. When we get converted into 3, this will be 3 square. 1.5 will get doubled. That means it will become 3. So power 3, power 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, it will be 2. 3 square, 3 square means 9. You have to do it mentally. That's why I wrote this like this. Otherwise, what I have to do? I have to convert everything in the power of 3. Everything in the power of 3. Clear to everyone? Yes? Superb. Superb. Let's move on to the another question. And again, but all of you, SSC CHSL batch has already launched only for you in the English medium. Okay, the whole batch will be in the English medium, and the offer price will be has only 13.99. Okay, in which you are getting 450 plus hour of live classes, live foundation classes. If you have missed something or you don't know anything about the SSC examination or the subject, you can directly write what you can attend these classes to strong your foundation. And class PDFs will be there so that you don't have to write during the classes. Okay, and the daily mock practice test will be there. Previous year paper will be there. So if you or your friend are getting studied for this examination, like SSC examination, you can refer them. Okay, And one more thing, if you are giving SSC CGL examination in the near future, that means from 1 to 13 December, if you have any examination, and if you have already mock test, then well and good, practice with the mock test. And if you don't have, Exampur is giving 1 rupee, at 1 rupee 5 mock test series will be there. Okay, you can purchase it from the Google Play Store on the Exampur app. Okay, you can download the Exampur app on the Google Play Store, and you can purchase that from the paid courses section. Okay, paid courses section. So hello Chinmay, how are you? We have another question, another interesting question in front of you. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question now. Tell me the answer for this question. Now what is x is equal to what? X is what? Now for these types of questions, start from here. Start from here. Now we have to make what? Perfect square. How we can make perfect square? For that you should have 2ab. For that you should have 2ab. So we can write, we can get 2ab from here only. We cannot get 2ab from here because this is not the multiple of 2. Yes or no? So that's why we are converting it into 2ab. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by root 3. So 2ab. If this is a, this is b, that means a square will be 4 and b square will be 3. Yes or no? Is there a summation of 4 plus 3? 7 is there? Yes, 7 is there. That means what? That means what? 7 plus 4 root 3 can be written as 2 plus root 3 whole square. Can be written as 2 plus root 3 whole square. Clear to everyone? Okay, how we have written here? So if it is 2ab, that means if it is a, it is b, then it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square is 7 here. Clear? So this is how you have converted into square. Now square get cancelled out from the square root. What we will get? We will get 8 into 2 plus root 3. Right? And before that we have 3 also. So 3 plus 8 root 3. Clear to everyone? Now what is going to happen here? Let's see. So here we have 3 plus 16 plus 8 root 3. Plus 8 root 3. Again we will get 2ab from here. So 2 into 4 into root 3. Right? 2 into 4 into root 3. That means what? Here if this is a, this should be squared as 16 and this should be 3. So we want 16 plus 3. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is 2ab, this is a square and this is b square. That means this is nothing but, this thing is nothing but, this thing is equal to what? 4 plus root 3 whole square. Yes or no? This thing is equal to what? This is a, this is b, 4 plus root 3 whole square. Clear to everyone? Okay, so this thing is equal to 4 plus root 3 whole square. Now whole square will get cancelled out. So finally what we will get? We will get minus root 3 plus 4 plus root 3. Whole square will be cancelled out by this square root. Now root 3 will cancelled out. X is equal to under root 4. That means 2 is my right answer. That means 2 is my right answer. Clear? Clear? Yes, absolutely clear. Yes, yes, Anupam, exactly. Yeah, this is the right answer. Superb. Now tell me the answer for this question. One more thing I have to tell you. Like, if root 3 minus root 2 is there, or root 3 plus root 2 is there. Okay, root 3 minus root 2 is there, or root 3 plus root 2 is there. What I want to say, if there is root a and root b and their square difference is, like if it's a square like a and it's a square like b is equal to 1, and if a minus b is equal to 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, you know that. Okay, minus. Okay, so we cannot take it plus here. So if it is equal to 1, their square is equal to 1, then in that case we can directly write it in the reverse form. Then we can directly write it in the reverse form. What it means? If root 3 plus root 2 is there, you know that we can like 1 by root 3 and root 2 is there, we can directly write it root 3 minus root 2. Okay, if there is 1 minus root 3 minus root 2 is there, we can directly write it root 3 plus root 2. So this is one of the concept. If you know that, you can easily solve many questions in the algebra. So okay, apart from that, let's solve this. Just make the move. What we have to do? LCM. Okay, now these are the same number, a minus b, a plus b. That means 9 square minus 4 root 5 is there. 4 root 5 square is there, and also we have a whole square out of this. Also we have a whole square out of this, and here we will get 9 plus 4 root 5, 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square, plus 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square. Okay, so this is in the numerator, and now we have to solve this. We also know that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2a square plus b square. We know that already, yes or no? If you know that, you can easily solve this question. Okay, so what is the formula? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2a square plus b square. So you can see that a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, so this should be equal to 2a square, that means 81, plus b square. What is b square? Square of 4 into square of 5. Square of 16, 16 5s are 80. Okay, divided by a square minus b square. You know that it is 81 minus 80 whole square. Okay, 81 minus 80 whole square. So in the denominator it is 1. Khatam, right? And finally we have to, what we have to find? We have to find the multiplication of these two. Okay, multiplication of these two. So 81. So we will get what we will get. Okay, something I missed. 2a square plus b square. Yes, I have wrote here multiplication. Okay, so 2a square plus b square. Okay, so 2a square plus b square, this will be 2 multiplied by 161, and answer will be what? 32. 322, option number A. 322, option number A. Did you get that? Did you get that? Yes or no? Clear? So you should know that what? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2a square plus b square. You just apply here. Okay, you will get the answer, and in the denominator we have just 1. Finally we will get what? 2 into 161 multiplied by 2, and 322 is my correct answer. Let's move on to the another question. Yes, it is the tricky one. It is the tricky one. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Let's see how many of you can crack this question. Okay, let me tell you one concept. So you know that 4 into 5, what it is? It is 20. And one more thing, if you multiply 4 into 6, what you will get? You will get 24. And if I add one more thing, only one, you will get what? 25. And 25 is nothing but 5 square. Yes or no? Okay, let take one more. 3 into 5. Okay, there should be difference of 2 only. Okay, there is a difference of 2. So 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Add 1. What you will get? 16. 16 is nothing but 4 square. Yes or no? Clear? So whenever there is a difference of 2, you can see that difference of 2, and when you multiply both of these and when you add this, then the middle of this number, that means the number you have, the middle of this number, what is that? 20, 22. Okay, you will get the square of 20, 22. You will get the square of 20, 22. Clear? Clear? Clear to everyone? Clear? So this is the short trick. Okay, so now we have got the square of 20, 22. Now 20, 22 will get here, and now let me rub this. You know the concept. Now we have to solve the question. Okay, So now when we talk about this 2022, here we will get 1 plus 2020 multiply by, now square and square root get cancelled out, and here we will get 2022, and you know that here is the difference of 2, that means we will get what? We will get 2021 square from here. We will get 2020 square from here. Now we are talking about this thing. So 1 plus 2019, and now this square root would cancel out by this square, and you will get what? 2021 here. Again the same pattern, this has the difference of 2, the middle term is nothing but 2020 square, and this square will cancel out this square root, and finally we will get what? 2020. Is it clear, my dear friends? Is it clear? Yes? Did you like that? Okay, share with your friends too. Okay, if you got, yes, exactly, same. Okay, so it's a nice trick, right? Now tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Now this is the very simple question, right? You can easily type the answer for this question. So whenever you get the series of multiplication of the same number, in the square roots to the infinite, remember this, to the infinite, then the answer will be the same number. Okay, clear? How you know that? Just suppose it is equal to x. Okay, it is equal to x. So let's take a series like x, and so on to infinite. Okay, let's suppose it is equal to y. Now we can write it y. Okay, we can write it y square. If I do y square, then one square root will be cancelled out, then this becomes x under root x, and so on to infinite. Yes or no? Now this is what? This is nothing but the y. So y square is equal to x into y. Now y got cancelled out by one time, so y is equal to x. That's why I am saying that this gives you what? This gives you x, whatever is in the square root. So this is how you can say 24 is my right answer. Okay, clear to everyone? Superb. Tell me the answer for this question. If you understood that, tell me the answer for this question. So before there was the concept. Now this types of question you can expect in the examination. Okay, yes Anupam, absolutely correct. Now tell me the answer for this question. So you know that this thing will give you 7. This thing give you 7, and we can write this 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 3, and y minus 1 is there already, right? Y minus 1 is already there. Now it is okay. So 1 is equal to what? 3y minus 1 minus 3, and here we will get 4 is equal to 3y, and y will be equal to 4 by 3. Yes or no? 4 by 3, absolutely correct. Option number A, absolutely correct. So now this is one more series which is going to infinity. Okay, but here we have plus sign. Before we had multiplication sign, right? But for this we have plus sign. Now tell me one simple technique. Okay, suppose this is x plus x plus x plus x, and so on to infinite. Okay, infinite, so on to infinite. And one more thing, if it is x minus x, okay, up to what? Infinity, up to infinity. So if I took the same number, okay, here also x, suppose x is nothing but 30, and if we convert this x something like a into a plus 1, okay, the difference of 1 or the consecutive multiplication. If we convert it into the consecutive multiplication, then if we have plus sign, here, if we have plus sign, okay, like this, then the answer will be a plus 1. Here the answer will be a plus 1. Okay, here the answer will be a plus 1. But if there is minus sign, then the answer will be a. So in this case, the answer will be a. Okay, when this is converted into a minus 1. So this is the short trick, and the general formula for this is nothing but under root 4a plus 1 divided by, 4a plus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, for positive sign, and for negative sign it will be under root 4a plus 1 minus 1 by 2. So this is the general formula I have wrote there. Let me underline this. Okay, this is the general formula. So when the plus sign is there, you can write plus 1 here, and when you have minus sign here, you can write minus sign here. Okay, now we have to solve the question. So we can write what here, 5 into 6, we can write it in the 5 into 6. Achha, one more thing, the consecutive numbers are the multiplication of the numbers which are between the squares. Okay, between the squares of what? We can see that 30 is in the between the square of 25, like 5 square and 6 square, yes or no? 30 is in between the, not exact between, but it comes between 25 and 36, right? So we can say that 5 square and 6 square, so this should be the multiplication of, 5 into 6. Okay, 5 and 6. So here we have plus sign. Finally, there are concepts. Okay, just have patience so that I can deliver many concepts in a single question. Okay, so that we can directly solve the questions in the coming slides. Okay, so we have plus sign, so my answer will be what? 6 here. Right? Simply. The earlier slide was dirty. So many things I have wrote there. I hope you understood all the things. Now apply all these things here. So before that, you calculated, okay, very fast, that it is 5 into 6. So it is plus sign. That means 6 is my answer. Now how you calculate this? So you have to figure it out that this number is between is between which squares. Okay, so this is between 256 and 289, yes or no? It is between 256 and 289, and 256 is nothing but the square of 16, and this is nothing but the square of 17. That means this number should be 16 into 17. Yes, now this is the aha moment for you. Yes or no? So plus sign, answer will be 17, nothing else. Simple. Yes. Now whatever the number is there, whatever the bigger number you will get here, you don't have to hesitate that which calculation is there, what is the consecutive number will be there. Okay, you just have to find out that this number will come between the square of what numbers. Okay, so this will come between the squares of 16 and 17. So 16 into 17 will be this one. Okay, you can check it out also. Okay, you can check it out also. You will get the same result. Okay, so finally we will get the 17 as an answer. Let's move on to the another question. Question number 24 is in front of you. Tell me the answer for this question. Yes, each and every one of you. Superb, Anupam. Absolutely correct. So you know that this will give you what? This is 2 into 1, na? 1 into 2, na? A into A plus 1. So plus sign, that means 2. We will get 2 from here, but 1, 2 plus is also there. Okay. So 2 plus 2 is my 4. So 4 will be my right answer. Option number D is my right answer. Clear? So absolutely correct. Very good. Okay, now this question. We have done positive signs. Okay, we have done questions from the positive signs. Now we have a negative sign question. You know that we can write it 6 into 7. Okay, so minus sign, that means 6 is my right answer. 6 is my right answer. Clear to everyone? Yes, yes, Anupam, absolutely, absolutely correct. Now tell me the answer for this question. What you do for this? Now what you do for this? Now this question doesn't have infinite sign, if you can see that. This question doesn't have infinite sign. So now what you do? Tell me. Have you seen this type of question, or you know how to solve this type of question? From A to D, which option will be there? Everyone will teach you that series, that earlier series that I have taught you. Okay, so you have clicked very fast. Now these types of series are also very popular in the SSC examination, and if you know that how to solve this in just a click, okay, you can easily solve this. Okay. Okay, so D, Anupam is asking, sir, is it D? Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, let me tell you. So if X, okay, I know there are so many X, find yours. Okay, and this is n times. This is n times. Okay, there are n times X. That means limited time. So for that, just write this X, divide sign, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n, and subtract that 1 from it. That means 2 to the power n minus 1. This is the formula, nothing else. Nothing else. So how we can write this? So this is 12. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 is nothing but 64. Subtract 1 from 64, 63. So 12 to the power 63 by 64 is my right answer. Option number D, Anupam, absolutely correct. Super. Super. Okay. Everyone got that? Exactly, Anupam. Okay. Now tell me the answer for this question. So you have done a lot of logical questions, okay? Lot of logical questions. Your brain have busted down now. Now solve some of the time and work questions, okay? Okay. So if A alone can do a job in 72 days, then in how many days can B alone do the job if together they can do the job in 48 days? So you know that if A can do a job in 72 days and A plus B both together can do it in 48 days. Just take the LCM. Here we have wrote time. Here we write efficiency. Okay, this is the efficiency table, and here we write the total work. Work is nothing but the LCM of the time. LCM of the time, that means 72 and 48. How we calculate LCM? So if you know that 144, this divide 144, this divide 144, that means 144 is my yes, absolutely correct. 144 is my LCM. But for that you can also take the bigger number, that means 12 into 6. Now this is 12 into 4. So we have 12. Now 4 has 2 2's. So 1 2 is here, but one more 2 we require here. So 12 12 12s are 144. This, like this, you can take the LCM of this. So 72. See, 72, here is 72, so remaining is 2, 48. So 12 4s are, so here has 24, 1 2 is there, then remaining is 3. Okay, so this is how you can calculate the efficiencies. Okay, what I have told there, it is 12 into 6 is what? 3 into 2 into 2. So 12 4s are 48, remaining is 3. That is what I talk about there. Okay. So now we get B, okay, efficiency of B. You know that both are, now there are 144 chocolates. Okay. A can eat 1 chocolate per day. Both together can eat 3 chocolates. And if there is A who can eat 2 chocolates, that means B is eating 1 chocolate. And what is asking, in how many days B alone can do? That means if B is eating one chocolate in a day, that means 144 day he can easily complete the work, or we can say eat all the chocolates. So what is the formula? Formula is time is equal to work upon efficiency. Okay, time is equal to what? Work upon efficiency. So work is what? 144. Okay, and efficiency is 1. So this is how we will get 144 as a answer. So tell me the answer for the next question. Okay, Divya Teja is there and 144 is absolutely correct. Very good. A can paint a house in 60 days. Okay, A can paint a house in 60 days and B can do it in 45 days, and B can do it in 45 days. Let's write 60 days, B write in 40 days. Along with C, they can did the job in 12 days. That means A plus B plus C is given in 12 days. Take the LCM. What is the LCM? So LCM is nothing but 120. Yes or no? Okay. LCM is what? 120. So 120 2 times, 3 times, 10 times. 2 times, 3 times, 10 times. What it means? It means that C has done C's efficiency is what? 5. Yes, together they have what efficiencies? Together they have 5 efficiency, and total they have 10. That means what? That means 5 is the efficiency. Then C alone can do the job in, so C alone can do the job in, I think I have missed something. Okay, it is 45. Okay, this is 45. That's why we got the wrong answer. I wrote 40. So this is 45. This is 45, and together they have A plus B plus C. Together they have 12. Okay. So if you got the answer, okay, just hold on to that. I just saw this 40. Okay. So now what is the LCM? Now 45 double 160 180. 180 will be the LCM. 60 3 times, 45 4 times, 12 will give the 15 times. Now 3 4 ye C will be 8. C will be what? 8. Okay. Together they have 15. Together they can eat 15 chocolates. But A can eat 3 and B can eat 4. That means together A and B can eat 7. That means 8 is eaten by 8 was eaten by C only. So what is the time period of C? You know the time period of C is nothing but total work upon efficiency. 22.5 will be the answer. 22.5 will be the answer. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Option number C. Option number C. 29. Question number 29. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. What is the question? P and Q can do a piece of work in 45 and 40 days respectively. They began the work together, but P left after some days. So this is what the scenario is. So P plus Q, they have started the work, but after some day P left out. Okay, then Q is doing the work here. Now Q has finished the work in 23 days. Q took 23 days here. Okay, Q took 23 days here. Now P is doing in 45, Q is doing in 40. Okay, LCM, take LCM for both of these. What will you get? 180. 4 times. Okay, not 180, this is 360. Okay, so this will be what? 8 times. And here we will get 9 times. Okay. So question is asking that P left after how many days? We have to find the time period of this. Okay, we have to find time period for this. So 23 days Q has worked. Okay, so total work is 23 into 9. That means 27 carry 2, 18, 207. Yes or no? 207. Clear? So 207 for 207 they have worked. So 207, just minus it out. It will be 153. It will be 153. That means 153 work has done here. By whom? 153 work has done by whom? P plus Q. That means TP plus Q is nothing but 153 divided by efficiency of P and Q, that is 17. Okay, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17, and it will divide it by 9 times. Okay, that means P and Q worked for 9 days, and after 9 days P gone. So my answer is nothing but 9 days. That means option number B. So who is giving option number B? Yes, Anupam, absolutely correct. Option number B is the right answer. Did you get that? Okay. So Q has worked for 23 days. 23 days they have Q at how many chocolates? 207. 207 chocolate minus from 360, we will get 153. 153 has eaten by P and Q together here. So together we have calculated in how many days these chocolates are eaten by P and Q. Okay, then finally we got that after eating 153 chocolates, P gone. That means after 9 days P gone. Okay, next question. Next question. Tell me the answer for this question. A can do 1/3 work in 15 days. If 1/3 work is done in 15 days, 1/3 work is done in 15 days, then the full work will be done in, just multiply by 3, right? 45 days. Similarly, A can do in 15 days, A can do in 45 days, B can do 25%. 25% means 1/4. 1/4 in 6 days, that means multiply by 4. So B can do it in 24 days. C can do the same work in 36 days. C can do it in 36 days. Okay, just take the LCM for these. So 45 is nothing but the 9 into 5. This is 9 into 4. We don't have 4 multiplied by 4. 20. Here we have 8 into 3. Hana? Here we have 8 into 3. So here we have 3. Here we have 4. We don't have 8. Okay, so we have just multiply by 2 here. So 5 2s are 10. 9 4s are 36. So 360 is my LCM. 360 is my LCM. This is how you can take the LCM, okay, easily. So 45, when you divide it by 45, we will get 8. When you divide it by 24, that means 8 3s are, that means we will get 3 into 5, 15. When we divide by 360, we will get directly 10. Okay, so this is the efficiency table for you. Now question is saying that B and C work together for 8 days. B and C, 25. In one day they are eating 25 chocolates. For 8 days they are eating 200. So 200 chocolates will get subtracted. We will have 100 chocolates left. Now in how many days A alone can complete the remaining work? Okay, B and C, 25, 8 days. Do we have missed something? No. So A has 8, I think. Okay, 160. This is 200. This is 160. Okay, 200 got subtracted. We get 160 here. So finally, TA will be what? 160 upon what? 8. So in 20 days, A will finish the remaining work. Okay, option number D. Yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Okay, so again the SAFALTA batch is for you only, guys. Okay, so join SAFALTA batch if you are interested to clear the SSC CHSL exam in the one go only. Okay, all the things are here only, and the price is just 1399. If you have already joined, that is well enough, but if you have not, this is must. Okay, this is must. If you have not joined anything and if you are studying here, it is okay, but step by step there are many things, one by one things. Okay, so that is a good option for you all. And if you are preparing for SSC Cgl and if you already have what mock test, then it is okay, but if you don't have, you can buy mock test at just rupees 1 only. Okay, only on Exampur app. Clear? Yes. So we have next question in front of you. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Everyone, tell me the answer for this question. A, B, C can individually complete a task in 24 days, 20 days and 18 days respectively. So A is doing in 24 days, B is doing in 20 days, and C is doing in 18 days. C is doing in 18 days. Yes or no? Yes, exactly. Now just calculate. Okay, so 24, what is 24? It is 6 into 4. This is 6 into 3. So we have 6, we just want 1 3, and this is 4 into 5. We have 4, we don't have 5, so multiply it by 5. Clear? So 18, 20, 360. Okay, 18 into 20, 360. 24, when we divide it by 24, don't divide. Here it is 24 now. When it will be divided, this will be 15. 20, this is 20, you will get 18. And when you divide it by 18, you will get 20. So this is what the efficiency is. Okay. Now B and C start the task, and they work for 7 days. B and C. Here it is the 38. So 38 multiply by 7. How much work has done here? So 56 carry 5, 7 3. So 266 task has done. 266 task has done. 266. What is the remaining task? It is 94. What is the remaining task? It is 94. Yes or no? And 94, it is done by the number of days required by A alone to finish the remaining task. That means we have to find TA, time period of A. So work is 94 divided by efficiency of A, that means 15. So 15 6 is the 94, remaining is 4. So 4 by 15 is my right answer. 4 by 15 is my right answer. That means option number D. Yes or no? Clear? Clear to all of you? Super. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Rohan can complete a definite work in 21 days. Yes or no? Rohan can complete a definite work in 21 days. Okay, so time period of Rohan is given. Time period of Rohan is given, that is 21 days. Clear? Vishal is 75% more efficient than. How you write 75%? 75%, 3 by 4. 3 by 4. More means than Rohan. That means this is Rohan and the Vishal is 3 more than Rohan. And Vishal is 3 more than Rohan. So we can write it efficiency of Vishal ratio efficiency of Rohan is equal to what? 7:4. Okay. If Rohan's efficiency is 4, then Vishal is 75% more, means 3 more. 3 more. And one more thing, if they are doing the same work, that means the time period is just the reverse of this. The time period is just the reverse of this. Okay. The time period is nothing but the reverse of this. That means 4:7. Now question has given that the Rohan's time is 21 days. That means this 7 is nothing but 21. What is the multiplying factor here? Here multiplying factor is nothing but 3. So we have to multiply by 3 here to get the time period of Vishal. Okay, so what is that? In how many days can Vishal complete this alone? So it has completed it in 12 days. 4 3s are 12. Clear? Yes, Anupam. Absolutely correct. Option number B is my right answer. Now tell me the answer for this question. Question number 33 is in front of you. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. A can do a piece of work in 40 days. B is 20. Now A can do, we have TA is equal to 40 here. Okay, TA is equal to 40. B is 25% more efficient than A. And okay, so here is A and B. Okay, so B is 25% more efficient than A. 25% more. What is 25% more? Let me write for you. This is 1 by 4 and it is more than 4 plus 1. So than A, that means if A is 4, then B is plus 1. That means 5. Clear? Now what is saying? C is 20% more efficient than B. Now if here is C, so C is 20% more efficient than B. 20% more efficient, what it means? 1 by 5. Okay. So if B is 5, then C what will be? 1 more. C is 1 more. That means 6. So if B is 5, C will be what? 6. So these are the efficiencies. These are the efficiencies. These are the efficiencies. Okay. Now what is asking? They work together for 5 days. They work together for 5 days. Now we have to calculate the total work. Now total work is nothing. Total work is nothing. It is the multiplication of efficiency into time. Now if you are taking time period of A, you have to multiply efficiency of A. If you are taking time period of A plus B, you have to multiply it by A plus B. Did you get that? Now the question is saying A can do a piece of work in 40 days. So to find the total work, we have to multiply by time period of A and efficiency of A. So total work is nothing but 160. Clear? Total work is nothing but 160. Did you get that? Now they together they have 6, 4, 15. Okay, together they have done. Now we are solving the question. These are the datas we require to solve the question. Okay, now we are solving the question. So for 5 days they have worked. That means 75 work has done. Okay, total work was how much? 160. Out of this, 75 has already done. Now remaining work is what? Remaining work, it is 85. Remaining work is 85. Clear? Now who has done the remaining work? Remaining work is done by B. B is 5. Okay, so remaining work is done by B. That means we have to calculate the time period of B. So 85 divided by 5, my answer will be 70. My answer will be 70. Did you get that? Option number B is my right answer. Option number B is my right answer. So it was very simple. Okay, just we have 3 persons, and if we know that the efficiency thing, okay, we know the percentage thing, percentage increment or decrement thing, we can easily find out this ratio. And if we know that the total work is equal to efficiency into time, so whatever the time is given, we have to multiply the efficiency of this thing only. If total time period, that means together A, B, C time period is given, then we have to multiply it. To find the total work, we have to multiply the efficiencies of A plus B plus C. Okay, so here the total work, the total time was given for A. That's why I multiplied the efficiency of A. That you should remember. Okay. Okay. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. The last question is clear to all of you. Super. Now A, B, C, we have time period for all. A is for 50. A is doing in 50 days. B is doing in 75 days. And C is doing in 20 days. C is doing in 20 days. Yes or no? Yes. Take the LCM. Okay. What is the LCM? Okay, the bigger number is nothing but 25 into 3. This is 25 into 2. So we have 25, we don't have 2. Here it is 20. 20 means 2 into 10. Okay. So we have 10 here, but we don't have 2 extra. Okay. 4 into 5. Okay, sorry. Okay. So 4 into 5. Here we have 5. Here we got the 4. So this is what 300 will be my LCM. 300 will be my LCM. So just divide it by 50. What we will get? We will get 6. Then we will get 4. And we will get what? 15. This is the time period. Okay. So they all work together for 8 days. So what is the togetherness here? It is 25. 25 into 8. What it will give you? 200. Minus it. The remaining work is 100. Right? Remaining work is 100. Then C quits. How many days will A and B together to finish the job? Now A plus B. Okay, TA plus B we have to calculate. Remaining work is 100 and A plus B efficiency is nothing but 10. Answer will be 10 days. Answer will be what? 10 days. Clear? Yes, Anupam. Absolutely correct. Option number B is my right answer. Option number B is my right answer. Clear? Okay. Tell me the answer for this question now. Tell me the answer for this question. A and B can complete a work in 12 days and 18 days respectively. Okay, A can do in 12 days, B can do it in 18 days. Okay, and there is no one C, so let's calculate the LCM. So 3 times 2 times. Okay, A began to do the work and they work alternatively. So let's see the concept of alternative. Okay, so A is doing in the first day, B is doing in the second day, and again in the third day again A is doing, and so on it is going. Okay, so if we are taking the whole efficiency of A plus B, okay, as a bunch, okay, as a group, so this is the work for 2 days now. This is the work for 2 days now. Okay, this is the work for 2 days now. So the 2-day work is nothing. 2 days work is nothing but 5. Okay, they together they can eat 5 chocolates in 2 days, but we have 36 chocolates. So we have to see that 5 is multiple of 36 or not. No, it is not. So we have to go nearby it. So nearby it we have 35. So multiply 7 by both sides. Multiply by 7 to both sides. Okay, what we will get? 14 days. What we get? 14 days, and here we get 35. So 35 chocolates has done, finished. How many chocolates remaining? 1. Now 1 chocolate, who will eat this 1 chocolate? A or B? Tell me, who will eat this 1 chocolate, A or B? You know that after this group, the first person is nothing but the who has started. After the group, okay, after the group has finished, this is the grouping, na, grouping thing. So the first person who is come here is nothing but the first person who has started. Okay, so now this chocolate is eaten by whom? Is eaten by A only, and A can eat this chocolate in how many days? So time is what? Time is work upon efficiency. So work is 1 chocolate divided by efficiency. In 1/3 days he can eat this. So overall 36 chocolates are eaten by both of them in 14 1/3 days. That means option number A is my right answer. Hai na? Yes, Shivam, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Also, we can directly say that because other we don't have any other option for that. Okay, so we have only 114 there, so we can directly take that also. Okay, clear to everyone? Super. Tell me the answer for this question. If A had worked alone, he would have taken 63 hours to do the task. What is B's share if A and B together on a task, finishing it in 36 hours? Okay, so A can finish it in 63 hours and A and B together can finish in 36 hours. Okay, what is the LCM? You know that the bigger number, take the bigger number. 9 into 7. This is 9 into 4. We have 9, we don't have 4. Okay, just multiply 63 by 4, you will get the answer. You will get the LCM. So 12, carry 1, 252. Okay, so 252 will be the LCM. Clear? So 4, 260, 240 and 12, 252. So when you divide 63, you will get 4. When you divide by 36, you will get 7. Simple. You don't have to divide 252 by 63. Just see 63 is here. If you divide it, you will get 4. When you divide it by 36, so 9 4s are 36, you will get 7. Okay, you will get 7. Clear? So now they are asking that they get paid if A and B together is taking the, what is B's share? Okay, what is B's share? You know that together they are doing, B's share is what? Together they are getting 7, B is getting 3. Okay, if A is getting 4 and together they are taking 7 and then B is getting 3. So we have total paid amount is 5600. Total they are giving 7, multiply by B is getting 3 out of this. Okay, 3 out of this. So here we will get 800, multiply by 3. What will be the answer? 2400. Okay, 2400. That means option number A. That means option number A. So Shivam giving option number A is absolutely correct. Clear? Superb, superb. Anupam, absolutely correct. Shivam, absolutely correct. Tell me the answer for this question. A can do a work in 8 days, B can do the same work in 10 days, and C can do the same work in 12 days. If all three of them do the same work together and they are paid 7,400, then what is the share of C? Okay, similar question, tell me the answer for this. Similar question, tell me the answer for this. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. A can do the work in 8 days. Okay, let me write. A can do it in 8 days, B can in 10 days, and C can do it in 12 days. Okay, remember that the wages are distributed in the efficiency, in the ratio of their work. Remember that wages are distributed in the ratio of their work, but if they have started together and finished together, then the wages are distributed in the ratio of their efficiency. So we have to find the efficiency. Okay, just find the efficiency. What we will get? We will get 120. Okay, so here we will get 15, here we will get 12, and here we will get 10. Okay, in the efficiency of this total, what we will get? Total we will get 7 here and 3 here. So 7,400 divided by 37. It is divided by 37, and now it is distributed among A, B, and C. So we have to find the share of C. So C is nothing but 10. So multiply it by 10. 37 twos are right. So here we will get 200. What we will get? 2,000 rupees. What is my answer? It is 2,000 rupees. That means option number D. Yes or no? Everyone, option number D. Clear? If they have asked what about B, so multiply 200 with 12, you will get the B. Multiply 200 with the 15, you will get the A. Okay, tell me the answer for this question now. This is a simple question. Okay, you know that formula. M1 D1 H1 MDH, okay, is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. Now this is the main formula. If you have not given the work, if it is saying the same work, so it is W get cancelled out. Then in that case, you just write M1 D1 H1 M2 D2 H2. If H is also not given in the question, then forget about H, because same hours they are working, then H and H will be cancelled out. Then M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Okay, you have to remember these things. Let's solve this question. 24 men can reap a field in 35 days, then in how many days 21 men can reap the same field? Okay, so 24 into 35 is equal to 21 man into how many days? M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. So it is nothing but the 7 into 3. It is 7 into 3. So 7 get cancelled out here. Remaining is 5. And 3 cancel out it. Now D will be what? 8 into 5. That means 40. Option number B is my right answer. Clear? Clear to everyone? Right. Super. So option number B is my right answer. Let's move on to the another question. Yes, Shivam, absolutely correct. A certain number of men can finish a piece of work in 108 days. If there were 32 less men, it would take another 24 days. So what it is saying, M multiply by 108, this is some work, it is equal to M minus 32, and it will take how many days? 24 more days. So add these two, okay, add these two, what we will get? 132. Solve now. Solve it. So 12 11s are 12 9s are, okay, 12 11s are 12 9s are. So what we will get ratio, if we take the ratio, m upon m minus 32 is equal to 11 by 9. Okay, 11 by 9. Yes or no? Now tell me one thing. What is difference between m and m minus 32? It is difference of 32. But in the ratio, it is difference of 2. So to make the difference of 2 into 32, we have to multiply 16. Clear? We have to multiply 16. If we multiply by 16 both the sides, then automatically the difference between both will be the 32. Okay. So now you will directly get the multiplication of what? 11 into 16. That is my answer. So how many men were in the originally? It is nothing but 11 into 16. Okay, 11 into 16, that means m is equal to 11 into 16. 11 into 16 means kaise? 1, 6, 1 plus 6, 7. How you write 11 plus 16? 1, 6, 1 plus 6. 1, 6, 1 plus 6. 1, 6, 1 plus 6. So 176, that means option number D is the correct answer. Clear? Clear, Shivam, Anupam? Clear to all of you? So you can directly write it, okay? Because now the difference is same. Here difference is 2. When we multiply by 16, both the sides, the difference will be automatically doubles. Okay, so 16 2s are 32. Now difference is same. Both has same difference. That means m gives me directly the 11 into 16. Clear? Or you can directly, you can also solve this for you people who don't understand that. Okay, so you have 11. So 9. And you have 9m and you have 11m, so you will be have 2m and 11 into 32. Okay, 11 into 32. So it will be get cancelled out. So m will be what? Clear? Clear? This is how you can solve this equation. Okay, let's move on to the another question. Question number 40. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. How many men will be required to plow 50 acres of land in 10 days if 15 men required for 12 days? So 15 men required for 12 days, then in how many men requires? Okay. 15 men requires for 12 days to plow 10 acres. Okay. So my work is given here, so I am dividing work here. Okay. Is equal to how many men requires to plow 50 acres in how many days? 10 days. In how many days? 10 days. Now solve this. You will get the men. Okay. So 0 will be cancelled out and 5 cancelled out by 2 here. 2, 6, 15 6 are 90. 15 6 are 90. Is there 90? Yes. Option number D is my right answer. Option number D is my right answer. Clear to everyone? Superb. Now tell me the answer for this question. Again, you have a CGL mock test at 1 rupee only. Okay, you can get that from the Exampur official app. है ना? For that you have to download that from the Play Store. For that you have to download it from the Play Store. Okay, there are 5 mock tests, है ना? Only at 1 rupee. Okay, tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. 8 men or 24 women can paint a house in 30 days. Okay. The number of days required by 12 men and 24 women to paint such 3 houses at the same rate will be. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. It is very simple question, right? So 8 men or 24 women. In this case, 8 men, okay. Efficiency of 1 man is EM. For 8 men, it is 8 EM or EM into 8. And they are doing in 30 days. It is equal to 24 woman of 24 woman, okay, efficiency of one woman into 24, they are doing the same work in 30 days. They are doing the same work in 30 days. Okay, so here we have what? The same work. This is also work, this is also work, this is also work, this is also work. Solve this. Solve this and you will get the efficiency of man and woman. So 30 will be cancelled out, 30 will be cancelled out, 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are. So EM, that means efficiency of man and efficiency of woman will be what? 3 by 1. So this is the efficiency. To find the work, this is nothing but the work. Okay, so to find the work, just put 3 here or 1 here. 3 here or 1 here, you will get the work. So what is the work? What is the work? Just put 3 here, 24 into 3, it is 720. So total work is nothing but the 720. Okay. Now what is asking in the question? The number of days required by 12 men and 24 women. So 12 men plus 24 women. Okay. So whatever the time period is you are calculating, divide the efficiency for the same. So total work is 720 and for one man it is the 3 efficiency. So 12 men will be 36. 12 men will be 36. One woman has efficiency of 1. So 24 women will have 24 efficiency. So 720 divided by 60, right? Divided by 60. So it will be what? 12. It will be what? 12. Yes or no? What is the answer? 12. So is 12 is the answer? Is 12 is the answer, Shivam? It is A or not? No, it is not. Why? Because we have took the work. The work is 720. This work is nothing but paint a house. But we have to paint such 3 house. So we will take 3 times. Okay. So 12 times we will get to paint 1 house. Okay. So to paint such 3 house, then time will be what? 12 into 3. So my final answer will be what? 36. My final answer will be 36. Yes or no? Clear? Is it clear? Just look at the question. Question is saying to paint such 3 houses. Okay, to paint such 3 houses. So my answer will be what? Option number C. Paint a house, it will take this much work. This work will get this much time, that is 12. Now we have to do 3 times of this thing. Okay, absolutely correct. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. 16 men can finish a work in 8 days. 8 men and 9 women working together can finish the same work in 10 days. Okay, it is a very interesting question. Let me solve for you. Question is saying 16 men can finish the work in 18 days. So here is 16 men. 16 men. 1 man efficiency is EM in 8 days. This is the work. Now the same work is done by 8 men. The same work is done by 8 men. 8 men, okay, and 9 women, plus 9 women. 9 women. Efficiency of 9 women. In how many days? Working together, finish the same work in 10 days. In 10 days. In 10 days. Okay, just solve this equation and you will get what? Work. Here you will get work and you will after solving this equation you will get the efficiency ratio. Okay, solve this. Okay, so what we are going to do? Okay, let's solve. So after multiplying this to this, you will get 80 EM and here is 16 EM. Okay, 16 into 8. Here we have 16 into 8. Here we have 16 into 5. So we will get how many EMs? 3 into 16, right? That means 48 EM. Okay, what I have done? This is 16 into 8. This is 16 into 8 EM. And this is 10 into 8 EM. Okay, 10 into 8 em. And when I subtract both, I will get 6 into 8 em. That is nothing but 6 8s are 48 em. This I have done mentally. This I have done mentally. Did you get that? Okay. Now is equal to, now solve what I have, 90 EW. What we have, 90 EW. Now solve again. So we have 6 times here, 8, and we have 15 here. Okay, so EM upon EW will give me 15 by 8. Okay, 15 6 are 90, or here we have 6 8s are. Okay, so 6 gets cancelled out. We got 8 here and 15 here. So this is the efficiency. Now put the efficiency here and you will get the work, and put the efficiency here and you will get the work. Okay, so I am putting what, 15. So 15 into 16 or 15 into 18. 15 into 18 is nothing. 15 into 8. 15 into 8 is nothing but 120. And multiplying 16 and 120 is very easy. Okay, so here we will get 0. 12 6 are 72. We get 7 carry and 192. So 1920 is my work. 1920 is my work. Now what is asked in the question? In how many days 20 women can finish the same work? Work is nothing. 20 women work. Okay, 20 women work. Work is nothing but 19 into 20. Either you have to calculate this or you can directly write, okay, whatever is suitable to you. You can also, if you don't want to calculate now, you can also write 120 into 16. Okay, you can write also this, because you know that ultimately you have to divide by efficiency. So I have not calculated this thing. I have directly wrote 120 into 16 here, and here question is saying 20 women. So 20 women multiply by efficiency of 1 woman. Multiply by efficiency of 1 woman. Now cancel it out. You know that 8 cancel it 2 times. 20 cancel it 6 times. So my answer will be what? 12 days. My answer will be what? 12 days. Option number A is my right answer. Option number A is my right answer. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Superb, superb, superb. Superb. Superb, superb. So, next question. Now tell me the answer for this question. Okay, I think you have understood what is the concept behind that. Okay, so 2 men and 7 women can complete in 28 days. So 2 men and 7 women completed in 28 days. Completed in 28 days is equal to, whereas 6 men and 16 women can complete in the same work in 11 days. In 11 days. Clear to all of you? Super. Now we are solving it in a one line. Okay, 28 into 2, 56 em. Here we have 56 em. Here we have 66 em. 11 into 6, 56, 66. What is the remaining? 10 em. Equal to, here we have 27 into 8. 8 into 27. Here we have 16 into 11. So we have 28 into 7 and we have what? 16 into 11. We have 16 into 11, right? We have to find the difference of both these. So you know that it is 176 and this is what, 140 and 56, 196. This is 196. So what is the difference? It is 20. What is the difference? It is 20. So 20 EW is there. Now solve this. 0 gets cancelled out. EM upon EW. EM and EW will be what? EM and EW will be what? 2 by 1. That means efficiency of man is 2 and efficiency of woman is 1. Efficiency of man is 2 and efficiency of woman is 1. Just try to put these values here to get the total work. Now this is the work and it is 2 and this is 1. Put anywhere you are comfortable. Okay, so here 2 2s are 4 and 7, 11 into 28. and if you put here, that you will also get the same thing here also. Okay, here you will get the 12 and 16, 28 into 11. So 28 into 11 or 11 into 28, whatever be there, the work is that only. Now question is that in how many days will 5 men and 4 women working together? 5 men and how many women? 4 women. 4 women working together. So total work is 28 into 11. I am not multiplying it because I know that at the last I have to divide something. Okay, because I am getting what? Whole number. I am getting integer there. Okay, so 5 men. 5 men means 5 twos are 10. 4 women means 4 into 1, that means 4 only. So it is 14 here. You can directly see that it is 14. It is nothing but 14, and 14 cancel out it 2 times. So 2 into 11, it is 22. So 22 is my right answer. Is there option? Yes, it is in the option C. It is in the option C. Did you get that? Yes or no? Yes. So now can you do these types of question in the examination with ease? Okay. Here I am explaining you. Okay. But if I have to do this question, I can do it in just a few calculations. Okay. I have to just write this equation. After this equation, I just arrive to this equation. If I get this, I will get this, and then I have to do this calculation. Okay. So you have to just practice. Yes, Suhan is there. Okay. Hello, Suhan. Let's move on to the another question. Tell me the answer for this. Tell me the answer for this question. Okay, so a pump can fill a tank in a water in 7.5 hours. Okay, now is a pump question. A pump can fill a water in 7.5 hours. Okay, so there is a filling pump. Okay, and it is taking 7.5 hours. Because of a leak in the tank, it takes 50 minutes more to fill the tank. It is taking 50 minutes more to fill the tanks. Okay, so what we have to do? Can we convert it into minutes? 7.5 hours. 7.5 hours, you know that this is 30 minutes plus 6 into 7, that means 420. Yes or no? That means 420. So overall 450 minutes are there. Clear? We can convert it into minutes. Yes. So 420 minutes plus 30 minutes, that means 450 minutes. So it is taking 450 minutes. Okay. And due to leak, means TF plus L, means fill pipe and leak pipe together, they are taking 50 minutes more. That means 500 minutes. That means 500 minutes. Now you can solve easily. Okay, this is nothing but 50 into 10, and this is nothing but the 9 into 45 into 10. Okay, so 45 has 5 already here. I just required 9. So my answer will be what? 4500. 4500, right? 4500. So 4500 will get 10 times 9 times. This is nothing but my efficiency. Okay, so if fill pipe is there, okay, this is the combined. Okay, now we can find the leak. We can find here leak. Fill pipe is filling 10 liters per hour or per minute, we can say. Okay, 10 liter per minute, but due to the leak, now it is filling 9 liter per minute. That means leak pipe is leaking 1 liter per minute. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? Absolutely. Very good. So the leak can drain all the water. All the water, what is how many water is there? How much water is there? There is 4,500 liters. So the time period of leak is 4,500 liters divided by 1. Okay, now it is in the minute. To convert it into the hours, we just divided by 60, 1 by 60. Okay, now it is converted into hours. This is the minute time because we have converted it into the minutes. Okay, so my answer will come in the minutes. Let's solve and we get the answer. So 15 4s are 15 3s are. Okay, 4 will get cancelled out. We will get 75 hours. We will get 75 hours as my answer. Option number A is the right answer. Sir, when started? It was started at 7 and it is at the end, my dear. Okay, but no worries. Okay, the questions which are going on, it is getting finished soon. Okay, in 10 to 15 minutes more, and after that you can watch the whole video from starting. Okay, there are many tricks, many important questions, okay, which you can directly do. I have taught there, so don't miss that. No, don't miss the starting. Yes, Sohan, absolutely correct. Tell me the answer for this question. Question number 45. Tell me the answer for question number 45. Okay. Taps A and B can fill a tank in 15 minutes and 10 minutes respectively. So tap A can fill in 15 minutes, tap B can fill in 10 minutes. While tap C can empty the full tank in X minutes. Okay, we don't know. If all three taps are open together, means A plus B plus C, and C is nothing but minus tap, means leak, okay, or empty tap, or we can say outlet tap. So we can write it minus C. So it is time period. It gives a time period of 8 minutes. Okay, they are emptying it at 8 minutes. So open together, they can fill the tank in 8 minutes. Okay, now take the LCM for that. What is the LCM? 120. 8 times, 15 times, 12 times. Now here we can derive the time period for C, for the leak. Okay, now together A and B can fill 20 liters. Together A and B can fill 20 liters water per minute. But due to the leak or the outlet pipe, now they are filling only 15 liters. Why? Because C is draining out 5 liters. C is draining out 5 liters. Now question is saying tap C alone will empty 3/4 of the part of the tank. Okay, 3/4 of the part of the tank. Sorry, 3/8. So total tank is what? 120. Its 3/8 is what? Divide it 15. 15 3s are 45. Okay, so we have to calculate only how much 45 liter is drained by C in how much time. Okay, so TC, here it is 5 because efficiency is 5. So answer will be 9 minutes. Answer will be what? 9 minutes. Yes, Sohan, absolutely correct. Option number C is my right answer. Superb. Okay, tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Sohan, 45 by 5, 9. Absolutely correct. Superb. Now tell me the answer for this question. Which of the following will be completely divide 5 to the power 71 plus 5 to the power 72 plus 5 to the power 73. Whenever you get these types of question, just take common this part. Okay, just take common this part. Now 5 to the power 71 has taken common. You will get 1 here, you will get 5 here, 5 to the power 1 because difference is 1, and here here difference is 2, so you will get 5 square. Okay, again you can see that if you multiply here, you will get this 71 plus 1, 72, 71 plus 2, 73. So 5 to the power 71 is there, multiply by, here we have 1 plus 5 plus 25. Again 5 to the power 71 is there, multiply by 31. Okay, multiply by 31. So you know that all are the multiples of 5. All are the multiples of 5. So we need 5 here. So 1 5 you can give it, and here will be 5 to the power 70 and multiply it by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. That means only one number can divide it, and that is 155. Okay. So you don't have to do this much. You just required a logic. Okay, the logic is that if you common this, you will get 1 5 25, and if there is one more 125 because 5 cube, again 625, and you just to add it all. You just add it all and just find out which number is going to divide this number. Okay, clear? Super. Tell me the answer for this question. 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 So it is a very easy question, okay? Whenever there are 48 heads, means there are total 48 animals. Okay, how many animals are there? There are 48 animals. So some has 2 legs, some has 4 legs, you know that. So hens has 2 legs and cows has 4 legs. So if I think that everyone has 2 legs, then there should be how many legs? If everyone has 2 legs, then we should have 96 legs. Yes or no? We should have 96 legs. But we have how many legs? We have 140 legs, right? 140 legs. So if I divide it, okay, if I subtract it, so what I will get? I will get 44. I will get 44. So this 44 is for what? The 2 legs of cows that I have not considered. Okay, so just divide it, you will get 22. Now this is the number of cow. Now this is the number of cows, but question is asking the number of hens. So just minus it from 48. Okay, just minus it from 48. So number of hens will be what? 48 minus 22, that means 26. Okay, 26. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So there is a simple formula if you want to learn, because these types of questions are like very regular. Okay, and this has a pattern. So four-legged what? Animal. Four-legged animal. You will get the number of four-legged animal from this formula. Number of four-legged animal. So formula is leg minus 2h upon 2. Formula is leg minus 2h, 2 head, 2 into head by 2. Okay, this formula comes from this concept. So I have multiplied 2 minus it from legs, and again divided by 2, and I will get 22. Okay, so this is the procedure, this is the main funda, and this is the formula for that. You can directly use this formula to get the four-legged animal, and if you want two-legged animal, just minus this number from the total heads. Okay, okay. Tell me the answer for this question now. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Now, if you know that there is a triplet, 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square, yes or no? So we can say that 5, 12 and 13 is a triplet. 5, 12, 13 is a triplet, and also double of it means 10, 24 and 26 is also a triplet. This will also satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this will also satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So we can see that here is nothing but 5, 12 and 13, which is multiplied by 11. Yes or no? Multiplied by 11. That means here is the triplet of 5, 12 and 13. That means this root x is nothing but the square, and square. If you know that, that means root x is equal to square, that means 2. That means x is equal to what? 4. That means x is equal to 4. Clear? Clear to all of you? So you can get this type of question also. Just focus then onto the triplets. Okay, this will always form a triplet. So you just have to figure it out, is in the triplet form or not. If it is in the triplet form, that means whatever comes here na is the square only, is equal to 2 only. Clear? Okay. So tell me the answer for this question. This is question number 49 and last question for today's class. Okay. This is the last question for today's class. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Fast. Tell me the answer for this question. Yes, Sohan. So you can see that we can take it here. We will get AB minus A square is equal to B square. Or we can say that if we take all these there, A square plus B square minus AB. A square plus B square minus AB is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Yes or no? Clear? And you know that the formula is A plus B into A square minus A square plus B square minus AB. Now this thing is 0. Now according to question, this thing is 0. That means the multiplication will also give 0. Now the multiplication will also give 0. Is it clear? Is it clear? Superb. So this was just a glimpse of some of the algebra problems. Okay, next time we will meet and we will do a lot of algebra problems also, are very short tricks, there are very many techniques we have, so we can do many questions on those techniques. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed all the session. We will get back to you soon. Okay, so have a good night and have a good sleep and keep preparing, and follow us. If you have liked the session, please like the session, share with your friends. Thank you so much for being till the end. Thank you so much. Take care.